uh, I was literally lying in my bed next to my baby, just about to switch off and sleep at 9. And boom, $300 sale came through. Yippee, yo, da 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 day. Can we get a little party up here? Yeah. I-language le, oh yippee, da 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 da. Ongayithola only kukhulunywa ngemali, and kukhulunywa ngemali enkulu, more especially imali emane iqhamuke nje ungayilindele. Into eyenzekalayo-ke la, u-Elana Lemer, istori sakhe lesasixoxela sona ukuthi uthe nje uyilalela nabantwana bakhe, khahla yangena imali. Into eyenzekalayo-ke le, if usethe kahle i-freedom machine yakho la ku-legacy builder, iprogram le yaka-digital marketing, ukuthi how omunye umbuzo lo wena ungayibuza wona, kodwa nje izinto ezenzekalayo lezo. Wena into ongayenza nje ukuya lapha kwi-comment section or nongayi comment section, ulandele i-follow i-page leli i-2 Star Sam, ukuze lezi zitori lezi uzizwe uyilalele, ukuze wazi ukuthi nawe in future uzokwenza njani. Ulamalo uleme or ilana uthole $300 uyawusherisha la kuma-testimonials akhe. Nawe in few months ungaba omunye wabantu abasherisha ama-testimonials la, if nje ulandela nayo i-program ekunika i-step by step.